Suppose you have successfully configured the Prometheus Grafana with your e-commerce application. Now you have to like use the data from Grafana to determine like whether the additional server resources were needed for the application for our e-commerce application or not. So how did you use them?
First of all, to define that, we have to go to the Grafana dashboard, and from there we have to check the node. We have to determine where the application is running actually, and we can get that from the data as well. Everything will be there, like whatever is ongoing in the cluster, everything will be in the Grafana. So we have to determine where the application is running on, and after checking that out, we would know that our how much load our nodes are facing at this point. And if we see that it's taking too much resources and it's getting overloaded with the request and everything, we would know that now we have to increase the load. And then we have to create a new node group in the cluster, and according to that it will be deployed, or we might need the automatic load balancer. We have to deploy the load balancer as well, depending on our need. Then same way we might have to decrease it depending on our load actually.
Okay, thank you.